Guaranteed results, 98%.
There's nothing that will make me want to sell out my yard. First million. I said, Jesus Christ, me rich. Once you've walked the path, no, you can't fail again. And how tall, or how you want to fly, it's up to you. Whatever you want, it is attainable.
And many persons quit because they didn't allow themselves to get to that aha moment. They didn't spend enough time or effort, I don't know.
There have to be sacrifice. And I realize every time I move up a more or a lot or a little is when I go through the hardest part, when there's a challenge. And in my mind, I never ever had this thing about quitting. Because my life this.
Well, we said the darkest hour is just
Yeah,
before the break of day.
Of course.
Yes.
But a lot of people don't have the patience. And trust the process. If you don't trust the process, you lose out. You know much people in the cemetery with the ideas and they never come to fruition because they never have the patience and they told their ambition to the wrong people.
Yeah.
That's a foolishness, man. That's not gonna work.
Kill the dream.
Yes, they kill the dream. So you have to be careful who you tell your secrets to or tell your ambition to. That is why it's important to have your mentorship. The right mentor that sit down with you, find the time and say, no, we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it another way.
What is the next big thing for Body Reshaping and Dr. Weightloss?
We start in Jamaica and we actually have a little branch in USA.
Oh, surprise. Tell us more.
Right? So it's not only who I can reach in Jamaica, but I can reach anywhere in the world.
Anywhere in the world.
Anywhere in the world.
So we have an international business.
The tourist board is going to love this, right?
Mm-hmm.
If
you want a free ad?
It's Jamaica. It's our thing. So if you want to make a vacation of a month or two in Jamaica, and I put you somewhere, Portland, one of our lovely spots in Jamaica, and I put you on a program, and you follow a diet list, and all of that, you go back slim and healthy. We have access to those things.
Wherever you are,
right.
Dr. Weightloss can help you.
We can have video calls, video consultations, but you can fly to Jamaica and make a wonderful time of it. Because remember, it's a lifestyle change.
It's a lifestyle change.
Right.
Yes.
So once we get you there, then you're going to start eating a particular way. Everything that you eat, you're going to start looking at the content, the ingredients, and all those things. And that's how it should be if you want to remain healthy. And
so it's a practice everybody should be doing.
Yeah, you should, because your body's a temple. And if you don't have, people think that money is wealth. No, it's health is wealth.
Health is wealth.
Yes, a lot of people think money is wealth. That's incorrect.
Because you can be wealthy and can't restore your health.
You can't buy a liver. Yeah, exactly. Yes. And this is not a program that you feel sad or you feel hungry or you feel
it's a
weak.
lifestyle, so it should incorporate all aspects of your well-being.
Thank you. And when you clean your colon regular enough, nothing the goal, not the old nice good moisture herb from long time. We have something better than that now. That don't gripe you and you don't have cold sweat or not like that. What I do to maintain my health and my look and my youth,
very important,
right, is I have to clean my colon very, very regularly. With the team of professionals that I have, we will help you to make your body become alkaline. So nothing that is not of your natural self cannot develop in your system, if you understand.
Yes.
So there's a lot of things, but you have to come in for the consultation.
This is a holistic program.
Thank you.
Yes.
Right? So you just have to trust the process.
Trust the process. Where am I looking? Trust the process. Is there something that you have never been able to do, but you wish that you could do it?
What I think I'd love, and I would call it my retirement, because I've always wanted a property on the beach.
Okay.
I'd like a glass house on a beach, and that is all I want out of life. And my good friends.
So you're not concerned about the tropical climate the possibility of hurricanes and
No, sir.
no?
No, sir.
Is it a movable glass house?
The richest place.
Mm-hmm.
And hurricane come. When hurricane come and fix it, if something the case.
Well.
But because my thing about life, you know, is not the destination, it's the journey. Right? So
And you would want to enjoy the fruits of your labor at the end of the journey.
Of course.
Yes. All right. So that is your explanation for wanting a glass house.
Yes,
on the beach.
because my friend will come over. We're gonna have a barbecue and that's my personal life and my personal space. Because remember, you know, if you're helping, let us say you're helping 100 people every day, and you're answering calls every day, you're depleted afterwards because you're giving them you.
You have to put it back.
Yeah, you have to put it back.
Replenish.
And then I leave that for my personal space with my personal friends because they keep me going and I love my friends.
Okay.
If you understand. And those are the things I live by. The journey, not the destination. Enjoy it because the destination is at the top or in the grave, in the box. You alone going on there now. So people wait to live. Then wait and say, you know what, next 2 years I'm going to make a certain way. And they understand you might not get it.
Now.
Yeah, but you might not reach there. You might not get there. And you might die before that.
Right. I want you to give advice to two segments of our viewers. First, entrepreneurs who are on the rise, who may be on the verge of giving up because they have tried several options, several business ventures, and they keep putting in resources, but for some reason it just doesn't seem to be going anywhere, and they're about to throw in the towel. What advice would you give them?
Okay, change your friends group first of all. Change your friends group first of all, right away. Sit down, think about what is moving in Jamaica. What people want in Jamaica that is not easily accessible. So you have to do your research and you have to still try. You can't give up. If you're that kind of person that have a certain tenacity for success, you're going to be okay. And don't worry too much. Keep positive. Your time must come. Once you have life, that's a gift.
Yes. All right. And what about our general audience now? Your best piece of advice for their health?
Most of the problems I have here is that we worry too much. I understand life hard, but from a born in a Jamaica, life hard. Not true.
Yes.
Jesus' life hard. It's getting harder, but it's always harder. But somehow, most of it fat. You ever see the people now? They're round and fat. It's like
so things not so bad.
Things are just can't be so bad.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is that if you're overweight is never ever a good thing. I don't care what anybody wants to say, because fat is what kills you. Poor nutrition is what kills you. But I can tell you, once you come inside here, I can do a lot for you. I can change a lot for you, but you have to be serious when you come to me. No joke business.
So lastly, Donovan, please tell the audience how they can find you or reach you for services if they're interested.
Novadine will put up my contact in the chat, and we can start from there.
All right. So, you can't say you never know, because you heard it right here on Yaadie Hands. It was a pleasure talking to you today. Thanks for playing your part in building this community. Now you know the face behind the brand. Now you know is the face of a Yaadie.
That's right.
Don't hesitate to support. Dr. Weightloss is offering a 10% discount on consultation fees for the first 10 clients who make good on their consultation using the discount code that we will post in the comments. When Jacka smell can, him gallop, so get it before it's done. Please subscribe to be notified when we air our next feature. Sooner or later.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Donovan.
God bless.
Hi, my name is Daniela Davis. I was one of the students that Mr. Marshall trained at Pulse. Working with Mr. Marshall was actually the best thing. He was actually the one that taught me how to walk in heels. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't know how to walk, and I would not be where I am today. So I'm very thankful for that. And working with him, you know, him teaching us like a lot of stuff, not just me, but other models like before me, you know, all of that. He was great, you know, best teacher I could say that I've ever had. And I would definitely say he's a great influence and a positive role model as well. And just all around the best.
Sir Donovan, just wanted you to know that the program really works. In September 2021, did an ultrasound to determine the status of my ovaries, and the results showed that my left ovary was not visible and there was a cyst measuring 3.8 centimeters on the right ovary. At the time, the doctor advised not to get alarmed and he would repeat the test in January 2022. So I did the test, and lo and behold, the 2 ovaries were seen and the size of the cyst has reduced to 1.5 centimeters, which the doctor says is nothing to worry about. This, I am sure, is a result of the program, as I have not done anything else since then. I am yet to repeat my cholesterol tests, and I have every confidence that the results will be positive.
From 205 pounds to 157 pounds. From a size 18 to a size 12 on the Body Reshaping program. Wow, I feel so good. Come on, you can too. Lose weight, feel great and get healthy.
Everybody now, time to show the whole world what we're all about. We the girls, we the passion for fashion.